Okay, Friday, September 30th. This is a pre-opening SPY video, about 20 minutes to go before trading begins. You can see here the the pre-open range is these blue lines relative to yesterday's bar. We kind of gapped up a little bit and kind of came to the high of yesterday where we've sold off a little bit, and now we're at the midpoint of yesterday. So these are the two areas right here that we want to see if we break above or below. Remember, overall, we're in a 5-day trading range the way I see it. So if we break down below, let's see if it immediately brings in some buying like it's done the last few times, or if we hold down there and then continue lower on the day. If we break up, if we have a green bar here to start, let's say we open near the bottom of this range, I could see it trying to test a breakout here to the upside. If we break out on the daily chart, we could be heading back to the top of that range. And this all aligns with, as we're here at the last day of the week, last day of the month, last day of the quarter, we're going to really want to see where this weekly bar closes. Is it going to go up today and maybe bring this weekly bar green, in which case we'll see that we've had 3 weeks going down, but this final week has not been a major follow-through week to the downside. That could possibly tell us that maybe we're going to pause here and have a little bit of a rally into early October. The monthly chart's probably going to close red no matter what happens today, so we'll expect a little lower action into the next month. But I'll get into all this on the wrap-up video. For today, let's just kind of treat this as the range overall, these 5 days. Let's realize that, any down move, you really want to see if it holds here and can break out. If we're going to have a lot of continuation, we'll start below the midpoint. If we start lower, are we going to get a big red bar and really close this week red or not? Well, again, we're just going to see how that opening price action develops and see where that leads us. That's the only way. I can't predict if we're going to hold here and start green or red, and what's going to really happen today. But it is the end of the the week and the month and the quarter, so that's kind of important in a way. There's going to be a lot of interesting, I think, developments relative to all that. So let's see where it opens today. Keep these levels in mind. If we get above, like I said, a 2 up, then we're probably heading to the top of the range. And even if we start green here at the bottom, I would give that a shot to buy to see if we can get that 2 up, a breakdown. Let's just really see early on if that holds or not, and we can have another 2 down day and maybe a big breakout to the downside. Or do we just stay again tight in here for 6 days? So who knows? Let's see how it opens.